and welcome back to my channel Learning Process. So this video is kind of a different video. In this video I'm going to organize my dressing table with you people, with you guys. Actually wanted to do some makeover to my dressing table and especially the dressing table counter. And my dressing table is very small and I have to put some items on the counter as well. So I decided to do a complete makeover of this counter. And then I thought, then why not share with you guys, so you will definitely like it. So let's not waste time, just check out my video. Like this video and you will get some kind of tips on organizing a small dressing table. If you have some similar to mine, please like, share and comment on this video and let me know how much you like it or not, or if you have get some really cool ideas from my video. And you can also subscribe to my channel for more such kind of videos. You can follow me on Instagram, Google Plus and Facebook. Keep watching my videos and thank you and bye.